Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss how to install and configure Salesforce with Instruqt. To get started, we'll first head to the package installation page. Feel free to pause this video or copy and paste the URL from the documentation. Let's enter the username and password for the Salesforce account that we will install the package to, and then select Login. If you're asked for an installation key, please contact your Success Manager or consult the documentation. On the package installation landing page, there are 3 options to choose from. Let's select the Install for Admins Only option. Click the arrow to expand advanced options and choose the default option, Compile All Apex in the organization. Then select Install. Lastly, we'll grant third-party access to the following websites we use to validate payload coming from Instruqt. Now click Continue. Great job! Head to the next tutorial to continue configuring the Salesforce for Instruqt integration.